Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So, dear students, welcome to our next class in the regarding the molecular orbital diagram. Last class में हमने जो topic start किया था, that was the construction of molecular orbital diagram for homonuclear diatomic molecules. तो आज हम इसका second portion कर लेते हैं in case of diatomic molecules, और उसके साथ साथ में एक important topic भी हम discuss करेंगे, that is sp mixing. Okay. तो आज जो हम मॉलिक्यूल ले रहे हैं दैट इज बोरान मॉलिक्यूल. लेट अस टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ ए होमोन्यूक्लियर डायटोमिक मॉलिक्यूल बोरान B2. सो द स्टेप नंबर 1, जो दो एटम्स इसमें है बोरान की, सिंस इट्स अ होमोन्यूक्लियर डायटोमिक मॉलिक्यूल, सो विल टेक द एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ बोरान दैट इज 5. That means number of electrons 5. So number of electrons 5. अब इसका electronic configuration as per the Abho principle 1s2 2s2 2p1. p में 3 ऑर्बिटल्स होते हैं, px py pz, इसको माइंड में रखना है. Same is the case with the other atom. Now two atoms, they have to combine to form molecular orbitals. Number of atomic orbitals combining will give the same number of molecular orbitals. ये चीज हमें याद रखनी होगी. Okay, let us draw the molecular orbital diagram. So now before we draw this diagram, it is important that we'll discuss sp mixing. ये important है. sp mixing basically होता क्या है? देखिए, if we write the electronic configuration, let us say we'll write we'll take the example electronic configuration in case of oxygen, we'll make two categories, oxygen and fluorine. These are two homonuclear diatomic molecules. Then I will write another category like lithium. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है एग्जामिनेशन के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. कोई भी एग्जाम जो आपकी ग्रेजुएशन से ऊपर तक, लेक्चरशिप और नेट whatever, so this question is very important. Another category I will make lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon. So I have made two sets. Why I have made two sets? दोनों homonuclear diatomic molecules है. अब देखिए, ये जो ऑक्सीजन और फ्लोरीन है और ये जो लिथियम एंड दीज 4, इन दोनों में we have that called as sigma 2s orbital in these molecules, called as the sigma 2s molecular orbital, or sigma 2pz. The pz, we know the z orbital of the p subshell that will form the sigma bond, so we say 2pz. इन दोनों की एनर्जी बहुत क्लोज होती है. सो ये जो एनर्जी वैल्यू है इनकी जो एनर्जी है, दैट इज वेरी क्लोज. दैट इज देयर इज अ स्मॉल डिफरेंस इन द एनर्जी in these orbitals in case of these 4 molecules. When there is a small difference in energy, then there is a chance that their energies will mix each other. ठीक? So when they will mix, that means the orbital with s character that will mix with the orbital of the p character. इस mixing से क्या होता है, यानी हमारे जो s orbitals थे और जो p orbital है, 2s orbital और px py pz orbital जो है, they have the similar energy. So इससे क्या होता है, mixing से the result of this mixing is that इसकी energy of the sigma 2s orbital is lowered, and energy distribute हो जाती है, whereas energy of this is raised, it becomes higher. So energy of sigma 2pz is raised. So इसका इफेक्ट मॉलिक्यूलर डायग्राम में हमें देखना है, that energy of this orbital is raised energy of this orbital is energy of this orbital is lowered and sigma 2pz that is raised. So because of sp mixing जो नए ऑर्बिटल होंगे we cannot say now it is purely s, लिखेंगे हम sigma 2s but it will be having a p character also. Same is the case, it will be having both s and p character. इस तरह के हाइब्रिडाइजेशन में होता है. लेकिन in case of oxygen and fluorine which are the higher atomic number, इस केस में the sp mixing is not possible. तो sp mixing में इसके केस में we have the normal electronic configuration. ये तो हो गया पॉइंट नंबर 1. पॉइंट नंबर 2, इस sp mixing से क्या होता है देखिए. तो जब हम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन लिखते हैं we usually write like this, sigma 1s, sigma I'll show it like this. Okay. तो जब नॉर्मल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन लिखते हैं we write sigma 1s. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन फॉर मॉलिक्यूल्स sigma 1s star, sigma 2s, sigma 2s star. बॉन्डिंग ऑर्बिटल के बाद एंटी बॉन्डिंग. उसके बाद हम क्या लिखनी चाहिए एज पर द एनर्जी विल राइट sigma 2pz. बॉन्डिंग पहले बॉन्डिंग आएगी फिर एंटी बॉन्डिंग. देन वी एक्सपेक्ट पाई because p orbitals px and py they will form the pi bond. X z is forming this sigma bond. तो sigma 2px और दोनों की एनर्जी एक जैसी होती है, राइट, इक्वल टू sigma 2py. सो ये तो हो गई बॉन्डिंग. अब इन दोनों के एंटी बॉन्डिंग्स विल मेक. एंटी बॉन्डिंग में इसकी एनर्जी सिग्मा, तो सिग्मा बॉन्डिंग, सो दिस इज नथिंग, सिग्मा बॉन्डिंग एंड दिस इज बॉन्डिंग. नाउ वी राइट द एंटी बॉन्डिंग. एंटी बॉन्डिंग में इनकी एनर्जी लो होती है. देखिए दो ऑर्बिटल्स जब एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल्स मिक्स होकर दो मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल्स बनाती हैं, जितनी बॉन्डिंग ऑर्बिटल की एनर्जी लो होगी उतनी हाई होगी एनर्जी ऑफ द एंटी बॉन्डिंग. तो इसकी एनर्जी बहुत हाई हो जाती है. तो ऑर्डर ये है एनर्जी ऑर्डर. उसके बाद आ जाएगा आपका एनर्जी में पाई 2px स्टार इक्वल टू पाई 2py स्टार. फिर एनर्जी के बाद आ जाएगा सिग्मा 2pz. तो ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन का ऑर्डर है ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. दिस ऑर्डर इज वैलिड फॉर मॉलिक्यूल्स लाइक ऑक्सीजन एंड फ्लोरीन. नाउ in case of these molecules lithium, beryllium, boron and carbon, since there is sp mixing, इसकी एनर्जी कम हो जाती है, इसकी एनर्जी रेज हो जाती है. यानी ये जो ऑर्बिटल है, विल शो इट बाय द रेड, ये जो ऑर्बिटल है इट गेट्स रेज्ड इन एनर्जी. रेज्ड इन एनर्जी मींस ये यहां पे आ जाता है. आई विल शो इट हियर द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन फॉर दीज मॉलिक्यूल्स. सो राइट डाउन sigma 1s. The gamma ka means increasing order of energy. So you can show by this way also. Sigma 1s star. उसके बाद sigma 2s, sigma 2s star. Now हम ये नहीं दिखाएं, we'll show this pi. Pi 2px is equivalent to pi 2py. And now we'll show the sigma. That means energy of this is getting raised. So इन दो के मिक्सिंग में इसकी एनर्जी कम हो जाएगी, दिस एनर्जी विल गेट रेज्ड. रेज्ड इतनी एनर्जी हो जाती है कि इट क्रॉसेस दिस px py. सो वी हैव sigma 2pz. अब हमारे पास एंटी बॉन्डिंग्स आ जाती है. तो एंटी बॉन्डिंग्स एज यूजुअल सेम ऑर्डर फॉलोड बाय pi 2px pi 2py. Pi 2py and sigma 2pz antibonding. So this is the electronic configuration for molecules after sp mixing, that is these molecules. Now हमारा molecule कौन सा है? boron. So we have to keep in mind that we will be following this electronic configuration. Now we'll write down the molecular diagram. हमारे पास 3 orbitals will combine with the 3 orbitals of other boron. So we'll make the diagram now. Now अब diagram बनानी आसान है. तो let us say this is the scale of the energy. Increasing order. So 1s orbital यहाँ पे This is 1s orbital. दूसरे बोरॉन एटम का यहाँ से another. You can show the another boron atom here. 1s. दूसरे का 1s here. तो 1s will mix. इसमें भी 2 electrons है, इसमें भी 2 electrons है. So they will mix to form bonding and anti-bonding orbitals. So the one which is lower in the energy, so this is your bonding orbital and this is your anti-bonding. This is bonding and this is anti-bonding. So bonding orbital, it is sigma 1s. This is sigma 1s star. So these are the two orbitals. हो गया 1s. उसके बाद जो next हमारे पास है 2s orbitals, they will also combine. So 2s will keep here 2s. So this is 2s2 of one atom. इसी के same energy is level पे you can show it 2s2. So they will combine to form so this is your anti-bonding and this is bonding. This is called as sigma 2s. This is sigma 2s star, that is anti-bonding. Now उसके बाद ये जो diagram, they are similar. Now it is just the drawing is किसमें फर्क दिख रहा है, otherwise there is no difference except कि 2s has more energy, we can see as per the scale. Now उसके बाद आपके पास p orbitals है. p में px, py and pz. Since pz, so we'll show it here. We'll show it 1, 2 and 3. Same is the case 1, 2 and 3. Px, py and pz orbitals. I will show it by 2p orbitals, and these are the 2p orbitals on other boron atom. Now electron, इसमें we have only one electron, so we can show it here, and in this case also we'll show it here. Now because it's a boron atom, there will be sp mixing, so that means you'll follow this electronic configuration that जो energy low होगी वो इनकी होगी, follow by. तो first we'll write 2px, pi 2px, pi 2py. तो पहले नीचे 2 orbitals आएंगी. One. So this is pi 2px, this orbital. This is pi 2py orbital. उसके बाद this is your sigma 2pz. So if you don't have the idea of sp mixing, then the diagram will be wrong absolutely. So corresponding to these three will be having 3 anti-bonding orbitals. Same hybrid, you following this, that उसके बाद जो आएगा anti-bonding में यहाँ पे, that will be these two followed by these two. So we'll write down this is one orbital, this is another 2pz, and then so you can write down here this is your sigma 2pz anti-bonding, this is pi 2py, pi 2px. So this is the molecular orbital diagram. Now we have to arrange the electrons. हमारे पास कितने 10 electrons हैं. So we'll fill 2 here, 2 here हो गए 4, फिर यहाँ 4, then 8. Now we have to fill 2 here because इनकी same energy as per the Hundredth rule of maximum multiplicity. Each orbital will be get 1 electron with a parallel spin. क्योंकि इससे क्या होता है, system becomes stable, more exchanges are there possible, more symmetry is there. ये हमने already पढ़ा है topic in case of the atomic structure, in the Hundredth rule of maximum multiplicity. आप इसको देख सकते हो. So this is how we have arranged the electrons, and this is the MO diagram for the boron molecule. So same is the case with other diatomic molecules. You can do it yourself. Now it is not difficult. You can do it oxygen, fluorine, lithium, beryllium, carbon. Difference is you have to keep this sp mixing in the mind, and then accordingly you have to draw the diagram. अब इसमें हमारा जो point है that is bond order calculation. We'll go to the bond order. Let's calculate bond order. Half of number of electrons in bonding minus number of electrons in anti-bonding. So that is 1/2. Bonding में कितनी है? 2 2 4 4 2 6 6 minus anti-bonding में 2 और 2. So that is 1. So bond order 1 means molecule is stable. That is molecule बन जाएगा. So bond order 1 molecule is stable. It is formed. Or second order bond order 1 means that it is a single bond. When there is a single bond, that means it will always be a sigma bond. So that means boron और boron के बीच में जो bond है that is basically a sigma bond. Pi नहीं बनेगा. Pi तभी बनता है when we have a sigma bond already. Then we'll start with a 1 pi bond, another pi bond. It's like carbon-carbon triple bond. So this is basically carbon-carbon, boron-boron sigma bond. Because sometimes the student gets confused that the electrons are present in the pi orbitals. No, iski वजह से confusion. No, it is not the case. That basically the bond between this and this is a sigma bond. Because we have sigma bonding orbitals here. 1s and 2s. Now, since we have two unpaired electrons, that means unpaired electron की वजह से we have paramagnetic nature. Means molecule को हम अगर external magnetic field में रखेंगे या external magnet के पास रखेंगे, then it will get attracted. So since it has two unpaired electrons, so it's a paramagnetic molecule. Paramagnetic molecule. So this is all about the molecular orbital diagram and sp mixing of the homonuclear diatomic molecules. Now हमारे पास जो बचता है that is the heteronuclear diatomic molecule that we will see in the next class. This is all for the day. If you have a question, you can write down in the comments, or you can also post the message in the WhatsApp group.